Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has broken down the support of this sub channel, and in this video, I want to discuss this move with you. And I also want to show you some significant resistance levels that now Bitcoin needs to break out for the next bull run. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this hourly time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin is now moving above $20,000. But the critical thing over here is that we formed this support on 18th of June, and right now you can see a few hours back Bitcoin has broken down this support. And here Bitcoin also it was forming a cup and handle pattern as well. And here we had the handle of the cup, and you can see while it has broken down this support of the channel, it has also invalidated the cup and handle pattern as well, because now it has retraced more than 50%. If I place this Fibonacci tool at the resistance of this cup from the bottom up to the resistance of this cup, then you can see that we are retraced more than 50% up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So this cup and handle pattern is now invalidated, and you can see that we had several rejections by this resistance of $20,800, and that was also the resistance of this cup and handle pattern as well. Now here you can see that this $20,800 has become a very strong resistance for the price line of Bitcoin. You can see previously it has been working at a resistance here, sorry, not here, here, and here, and it was working at a resistance here as well, and here as a here as a support, here as a support, here as a support, and here it was working as a support, resistance, and here again it we got rejected on 18th of June when we had this big drop. And now you can see again it is working as a very strong resistance, and after that our next resistance will be here at $21,360. And you can see above this resistance level we also have the support of the channel, and for example if we cross up this resistance level, then this support of the channel can also work as a resistance for Bitcoin. And previously it had been breaking at the resistance here, as a support here, as a resistance here, and then we have the key resistance of $23,000. And if Bitcoin will be able to break out this $23,000 resistance, then from $23,000 up to $28,000 we have some mild resistance. Like for example, we will have the resistance at $25,000. We will have the resistance at here at $27,000 as well. But the major resistance will be here at $28,600. And you can see that since 14th of June, Bitcoin is not able to break out this resistance of $23,000. We had several rejections here, and this was the final rejection. And before that, it was breaking as a support here. So we need to break out this $23,000. But after this breaking down of the channel, we have found one more resistance line, and that is the support of this channel. For example, if we will cross up this resistance of $21,360, then still this support of the channel can work as a resistance for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the target for this up channel after this breakdown, that can be here at the bottom of the channel, and that is again at $17,900. There we have this support. And we can also see that here Bitcoin has in the short term it has found another support, an uptrend line support, and in order to hit this target to drop there once again, Bitcoin also need to break down this support and definitely also this support as well. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame chart. Then here I want to show you some major resistance levels that Bitcoin needs to break out, and without breaking out these resistance levels, Bitcoin is not going anywhere. And you can see that we had previously we had been following this falling wedge pattern, And you can see that we have several touch points, like 3 touch points here, 2 touch points here, 1 more touch point here, and this was the last touch point. We broke it down. Now this resistance of the triangle, this falling wedge, can work as a strong resistance if we will have a price reversal. This resistance right now you can see approximately at $22,500, and after breaking out this resistance level, we have the key resistance here at $28,600. Unless Bitcoin will not break out this $28,600, there will be a very less probability that Bitcoin is going to be stable, or it is going to start a long-term move from here. And we have another resistance here that was a resistance of the falling wedge pattern. We also need to break it out as well. And now after this sell-off, when we touch this resistance of the falling wedge, Bitcoin has found another resistance here, and you can see this resistance is below this resistance of $28,600. Let me show you this resistance on the daily time frame chart, and you can see we are getting rejected again and again by this resistance. We have several rejections, so we need to break it out as well. And after breaking out this resistance, there will be a probability that Bitcoin is going to break out this $28,600. Then after breaking out $28,600, there will be a probability that Bitcoin is now going to break out this downtrend line resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern. Now if we move back to this hourly time frame chart, then here we can see that if we will break out this $21,360 resistance, we are very close to this resistance. We just need to break out this $20,800 resistance, then Bitcoin can break out this next resistance of $21,360. And after breaking out this resistance, Bitcoin can move to the next resistance here at $23,000. And if we watch this weekly time frame chart, then this resistance, this major resistance that was working as a support of the wedge, is approximately here at $22,500. And in this situation, there will be a very high probability that Bitcoin can break out this bigger resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and then it can make a powerful attempt to break out this downtrend line resistance as well. So next few hours are again very important. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this is we have 2 closings above the $20,000 support level. Even though this $19,500 support is more important than $20,000, because if we take a look at the December 2017, then let me remove first these all other resistance levels so it will be more visible for us to watch this $19,500 resistance. And back in 2017 December, we can see that here we found the resistance here. You can see that we were rejected by this $19,500 resistance, and after this rejection, we've in the next attempt, for a few days we had the rejections here. Let me show you more visible here. And you can see that for a few days we were having the resistance here at $19,500. Then we broke it out and found the next resistance here at $28,600. But this is very important resistance of $19,500, and now you can see it has turned into the support. This is the reason I'm saying you that this $19,500 support is more important than $20,000 support level. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.